Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon independent sales representative. Just wanted to come out to you and just say thank you all for your support. Whoever has subscribed to my channel so far, has liked my products, have shared it with a friend. Be sure, if you haven't done that, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like if you really like the video, of course, and don't forget, be sure to share it with a friend. It means a lot to me when you do that. It helps my channel as well. Okay, so let's get back to it and let me show you what new products I have to show you today. So today I'm going to show you just two products. It's part of the Studio 1886 collection. So it's the Fox Suede and Knit Booty by Avon, and it is a hooded pullover with built-in face mask. I know that piques your curiosity, right? So let me open the booty first, okay? So you can see it's a really pretty color. So it's gray fox suede upper with knitted shaft. It's fox Sherpa lining and tie in the back. Wavy cushion insole for added comfort. So it's from man-made materials, polyester. All right, so it comes in different sizes from 6M all the way to 11M. The price normally would be $58.99, but when you shop on my website, AzraBeautyHub.com, you'll get it for $46.99. So look how cute these are. Okay, I'm just gonna show them to you first, and I can show you what you could do with them. So you could wear it like this, okay, or if it's not that cold that day and you want to kind of, be a little bit more trendy and just kind of wear it and be on the go, you could wear it like this as well. Look how soft this is. Look how beautiful this is. It feels so good. And the suede right here, you can see the sole, right? So, and has this little string back here. See the tie? They're really, really cute. They're really cute. So again, these go for $46.99. I'll show this to you one more time. You can wear it in two different styles, which is what I love. You can wear it like this, and you could also just fold it, and you could wear it like that. All right, or you can fold it even more, as much as you wanted to or needed to, and it just feels so soft inside. Oh my gosh, I wish you could feel this. All right, so this is one of my products. So the other products, I don't have them here, but I just want to show it to you real quick on my brochures. They have other shoes. They have these clogs. They have these lace-up fashion sneakers. They have other products that you can find on my website as well. And remember, when you shop with the representative, when you shop with me, you get the sale prices, not the regular price. So always remember to go to my website and get it. All right, now the other product is, it is called the Hooded Pullover with built-in mask. All right, so now you're curious, and I know you're curious, how does a built-in mask work? So I'll read a couple of things. It's $39.99, all right? So it says, shield yourself in style from dirt and other pesky particles. This protective covering features a hooded pullover with a kangaroo pocket and connected face mask with ear loops. 26 inches on medium and 1X, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. All right, so it's a black hooded pullover with connected face mask. It has the ear locks, 26 inches, like I said, polyester, rayon, and spandex. It's a combination of 3 different products. So let's open this up real quick. You can see it right here. All right, let's take a quick peek at this. It's really nice and soft. So if you're wondering what it feels like, it's really nice and soft. So you can see here, right, it's lightweight. All right, you can see that there is a pocket in here. Okay, now you're wondering where the built-in mask is. So here's the hood. All right, let's show you the built-in mask. Ta-da! So this is the built-in mask. This is the hood. You can wear the hood and not wear the hood, whatever you want to do. So this kind of helps, when you're wearing the hoodie. I'm just going to try this on. This is going to be a little heavy, so just bear with me so you can kind of see and get an idea of what it looks like. There we go. All right, so this is pretty cool, something different, so it's good to have, in your collection anyway. It's great for a windy day. It's great to kind of have that covering. So you can find this as well on AzraBeautyHub.com. There's lots of new fashion coming this spring, so be sure to check it out, okay? Until next time, have a great day and always keep smiling.